Hello, I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Let's see today's sum. Simplify x plus y plus 2z the whole into x squared plus y squared plus 4z squared minus xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Let's see what we can do. We have to refer a formula over here, which is a plus b plus c the whole into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cubic polynomial a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc. Referring this formula, we can do the sum. Let's copy the sum. 2z the whole into x squared plus y squared plus 4z squared minus xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now over here, a is x, b is y, and c is the 2z. Now let's express this in the form of a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is a plus b plus c, the whole into x squared plus y squared, and we can write this as 2z whole squared, where 2z is c minus ab. X is a and y is b, so x into y minus 2yz, this is the bc. Now looking at b, we have y into 2z, which is c, minus 2zx, which means ca. Here we have 2z, which is c, into a, which is x. No, here we have to use a second bracket. Now referring the formula, we get x cubed plus y cubed plus 2z whole cubed minus 3abc. We can write as here a is x, 3 into x into y into 2z equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus 8z cubed minus 6, 3 into 2, 6 x, y, z. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.